Hey everyone! Welcome back to another weekly Wednesday walkthrough on Doma. Today we're introducing a small but powerful feature. You can now transfer your tokenized domains between wallets, similar to transferring an NFT. First, head over to the Doma app and connect your wallet. Then navigate to your portfolio, where you'll see all of your tokenized domains. To transfer one, simply click the Actions drop-down next to the domain and select Transfer. From there, you can enter the recipient wallet address, or even easier, enter your ENS name. So you can transfer domains using your .eth name instead of a raw wallet address. Quick shout out to ENS at this point. Before confirming, make sure to double-check the address, because once the transfer is sent, it can't be reversed. And that's it for today's weekly Wednesday walkthrough. You can now easily move your tokenized domains between wallets directly on the Doma app. See you next week, friends. Drop a like if this helped, and make sure you're following us on X so you don't miss the next update.